Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. The police blank caught the robber is, has, have, none of these. So here the police here is a plural noun. This is a plural noun. Always you have to remember that some nouns like police, pupil, kettle, Caesar, etc. These are all plural nouns. Let's look at some example to understand it better. The rich, the poor. The rich means rich people. Alright? Rich means rich people. You are not talking about many person. Rich people. People is a plural of person. And not a single person, but many person. Rich people means this is plural. Rich people are plural. So, and here you can see pupil is plural. And pupil means person. And here the poor, when you are adding the to them, it means pupil, rich pupil. Here it means poor pupil. Rich pupil, poor pupil. That means a group of poor person. Poor pupil means a group of poor person. That's pupil. So they are all plurals. Group of poor people means poor and many person. Rich, the rich means the rich people, the poor means poor people. So they are all plural. So here, as I said that the police is a plural noun, so it is followed by a plural verb. Followed by a plural verb, right? So What is a plural verb here? Is singular, has is singular, none of these. What do you think? Is singular, has is singular, so have is plural. So the right answer here is have. The police have caught the robber. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.